Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Euro British Pound. So in this video I will be analyzing the chart of Euro British Pound for 10th March 2021. So this analysis is for 10th March only. Please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.8563. Okay, and there is no doubt that market was in huge downtrend. After that market went up a little, and after that market started falling again. And right now market is trading at the price from where it bounced previously. So market is kinda in a support right now, and we can see that there is not much movement in the market. Okay, so what should be our strategy? Okay, as if you watch my previous video, and I have shown you that this area has got some support. Okay, this area has got some support. Therefore, it would not be very wise to short the market here. In case there is some heavy selling pressure comes, okay, and you see that okay, there is some heavy selling pressure. Market has made a big red candle with good volume. Okay, then you can short the market. Otherwise, it would not be wise to short the market. Okay, because already market has fallen heavily. So just wait for the market, okay, to cross this level. In case you see that okay, market has crossed this level and there is a breakdown, then at least wait for 1 hour. Okay, you need to wait for a 1 hour to get the confirmation whether market has crossed the level or not. Okay, wait for 1 hour and see how the price is reacting. Let the support become the resistance, then only you should go ahead and short the market. And on the other hand, if market starts going upward, okay, and just observe how the price reacts once it touches or hits the 50 moving average. If after after reaching the 50 moving average, if you see some price rejection like this, okay, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern like this, okay, you can short the market again. Okay, you can short the market for this target. So your strategy for Euro GBP is, first is, if market crosses this level, wait for at least 1 hour, just see how the price is reacting, let the support become the resistance, then only short the market. And on the other hand, if market goes up and it hits the 50 moving average, just wait and watch how the price is reacting. Okay, if you spot some good price reversal from above, or a shooting star kind of a pattern, or a big red candle, then short the market again. Okay, so this is a simple strategy that you can follow for a downtrend market like Euro GBP for 10th March. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with tomorrow's market analysis, and you can also check my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Bye bye, good luck, do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.